Hi, everyone. I'm going to go ahead and start things off while everyone's settling. We'll do some introductions. Welcome to WebRTC Boston 4. This is our fourth meetup event. It's great to be doing this again. Just in case you're wondering what you're doing here, what we're going to be talking about, it's a WebRTC event. I'll spend some time to start out for the couple of newbies that we have here to talk a little bit about that, but and also give an update on some of the major things that happened in WebRTC since our last meetup in March. And then we have a bunch of great speakers. Tonight is going to be more of a startup focus. It's really exciting to see some of these companies that came here and got some of their initial ideas through meetup groups like this, coming here and actually showing their products. So that'll be the focus tonight. And we'll hopefully, if we have some time at the end, we'll do an interactive kind of dialogue, Q&A in panel format. If you're on the social medias and Twitter, our hashtag is WebRTC Boston. Please use that. Smile for Giorgio. So tonight, we're actually, there's three meetup groups help pull this together. WebRTC Boston is kind of an overlay, I'd say, to the other two, just focused on the topic of WebRTC. If that's something you care about, WebRTC Boston is a good place to join. New England Software Engineers and GGG Boston. So to start, actually, I'm going to ask Tom Morris to come up and give an intro to the Google Developers Group.
Thanks, Chad. So Google Developers Group is the local version of Google Developers. If you guys are interested in Google technologies, you obviously are. Come along to our meetups. One of the things that we try and promote is an inclusive community in all dimensions. So we ask that everyone be awesome to each other. And if you see someone not being awesome, then come and let me know. We run events all the time. Check us out on meetup.com. We'll also be running an event this weekend that Diane will tell you a little bit more about. It's a VR, AR hackathon over at the MIT Media Lab.
Thank you. Hi, my name is Diane Williams, and I'm one of the organizers of an upcoming AR, VR hackathon that's going to be held at the MIT Media Lab this weekend. And while it's closed for participants and team members and everything, if you're around on Columbus Day, I would encourage you to come to the Hackathon Expo. It'll be held from 10 to 4 p.m. at the Media Lab, so you're welcome to come if you'd like. Thank you.
Thanks, Dan. That sounds really exciting. Oh, we didn't put your slide up. All right, Giorgio, if you're done tweeting, do you want to come tell the group about your meetup? Yeah.
Thanks, everyone. So I'm Giorgio. I'm running the New England Software Engineers, and the New England Software Engineers, it's focused on engineers that want to share technology, want to talk about technology, and are interested in culture. Every time we do a meetup, we mix culture, food, music, and the event. By culture, what I mean is that every time we have Chinese heritage in the Boston area, Italian heritage, you guess, in the Boston area, Indian heritage in the Boston area, and we mix food, music, and technology all together. It's a pretty huge meetup. We are more than 1,000. We are open to suggestion, and we want to see you around. Thanks. Thanks, Chad.
Thanks, Giorgio. Then, certainly, last but not least, I'd like to thank Google and the YouTube group that works out of here for hosting this event and giving us great facility and good food and beer. To tell us a little bit more about the local office here, invite Darren Meyer up.
Hey, so welcome to Google. How many of you have actually been here before, ever? Oh, a fair number. Okay, so I'm on the YouTube Live team, which is part of Google. I mean, how many of you knew that YouTube was actually part of Google? Okay, that's good. You know, a lot of people are like, YouTube are part of Google, and I talk to them. But I've been here at the Cambridge site for almost 6 years. I worked on Google Play for a while, and now I'm working on YouTube Live as an Eng manager. It's a great site. We're in the top 10 of Google Office sizes, but still small enough that I know most of the people around here and have deep ties, and we're quite social. And they spoil us well, but we still have great projects going on here in Google Web Search, on Google Cloud Infrastructure, on Google Play, on YouTube, hotel and flight search. So we have a lot of deep projects going on here, and we are hiring. So if you go to google.com/jobs, we have a lot of listings there, and would be excited if you are searching for a new opportunity to check us out. Thanks.
Thank you, Darren. So one more advertisement. For those of you that like hackathons, Giorgio and I are helping to put together a local Boston satellite location for a global hackathon event called the TAD Hack, Telecom Application Developer. If you're interested in real-time communications and related technologies like IoT, this is a really good hackathon to be a part of, especially if you want to get prizes and get some mentorship and learn how to use some of the APIs. There's over $48,000 in global prizes and opportunity to enter the global site. And in addition, we'll be giving out local prizes here for the local office. So if you're interested or curious about this, you can find Giorgio or myself, or feel free to follow that link below. And we'll also have this posted on our various meetup groups.